I'm so excited. My good friend Joan is coming to see me today. We are going to work on table signs for my at the Quartzsite in action on Saturday. I'll be having a booth, a table, and selling my books. I'm so excited, everybody. So Joan and I are here. This is what our workstation looks like. We are making signs for my booth at QIA this weekend. If you're going to be in Quartzsite, please come out to the QIA craft fair. I will be there from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and I don't know where I'm going to be because I don't have my table yet. They assign it when you get there. But we're making signs to show everybody that I do PayPal and all credit cards, and I'll have my book displays and my QR code for going to Amazon directly to my author page. And Joan, just thank you so much. She's so busy working. She's like, don't bother me, man. Well, we have this one done where you can scan the QR code and it'll go on an easel. And we have this one done to show that I have PayPal and all credit cards. Woohoo! We're making progress. And Joan is working on sold out. We are being positive. Is that what it's called? Positive affirmation. Yep. Okay, you guys. So there are my two signs for the scan code, for the QR code, and that I accept credit cards. And Joan has left me with homework to do. And because I have tags that I have to make that go on the sign. And here is the sign. But I had one job to do, you guys. And that was to give Joan the list of my books that were going to go on this poster board. And what did I do? I left out one of my books. So my sweet friend Joan is going to take that home tonight and redo it at her table with new poster board, and I'll go pick it up in the morning. But that means that you guys don't get to see that final sign until I get it and have it probably up on my table at the QIA. So you'll see it Saturday, or if you're in the area, come by and see it at my table. The table's going to be so cute and decorated, and I'm so excited. I feel so official. And Joan, I cannot thank you enough. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
All right, everybody, keep on keeping on, and I'll see you down the road.